What's up, fam, and welcome to the MARLONated Mindstate. I am your host, Marlon C, and today we're reacting to a video from BLN Safety where a 19-year-old turns a simple speeding stop into a life-changing legal nightmare. Now, quick question for the comments. If a cop tells you that you are speeding 10 miles an hour over the speed limit, do you argue or do you just take the ticket? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, this video is for educational and transformative commentary purposes under fair use. I am not providing legal advice. Our goal is to analyze the legal why behind the chaos. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. When you do subscribe, hit the notification bell so every time I drop a video, you will be the first to know about it. Let's hit it. Like a typical two-lane highway in the country. See these out here in East Texas all the time.
Westbound towards Bunham. Looks like we're slowing down now.
Boy, it's a dangerous job.
We're going to be stopped at 10982 West 100.
It's dangerous to be still in the road. They could have pulled off better than that, but she's a young driver. She don't know no better.
Hello. What took you so long to pull over?
Remember what I told y'all in my previous videos? Let the windows down. Always.
I was behind you for at least a mile with lights and sirens. Okay. Well, I'm Deputy User Flag County Sheriff, so the reason I was stopping was for your speed.
Okay, so the deputy said that he was behind her for about a full mile. Now, what do you guys think? Is a mile too long to realize that you're getting pulled over? Or was she just trying to buy time? Now, legally, failure to stop or fleeing and eluding can start right here if the officer thinks she was intentionally ignoring him. He's been very polite so far, even dismissing the 10-mile-an-hour speed limit, going over the speed limit. He's going to say that it's no big deal.
From 70 to 60, not really a big deal. Any reason why you wouldn't stop? Okay. Got it. Do you have your driver's license with you? Where you guys coming heading to? What was that? Okay. I got you. You guys live over there?
And you don't have to answer that question. You really have the right to remain silent no matter what. I mean, just handing over your driver license, insurance, registration is really all you have to do. So if he asks you where you're going, you don't have to tell him.
Got it. You have your ID with you, sir? You guys have any marijuana in the vehicle at all? I smell it a little bit. You smoking in the car at all?
Man, does everybody smoke marijuana except me?
Or anything like that? My name is Mims. Okay. I'll get your information and write it down real quick, okay? I appreciate it. Gotcha. Is this your vehicle? I'll get the registration or anything, or proof of insurance? Or a picture of it, or on the phone, or anything like that? Just so I just got to see proof of it that you have it, okay? She got a picture of her phone. Okay. Okay, I got you. Okay. These guys sit tight here for right now, okay? I appreciate it.
So I guess she didn't have her insurance or registration on her person, so she had a picture of it on her phone. So he was like, okay, that's fine. Everything looking calm and cool so far?
I'm showing a in-state pickup, Florida 49. Says juvenile order of arrest, subject emancipated on 10/10/22. Violation of home detention, disturbing peace, breach of the peace, no bond. Pickup statewide, Florida only. Got me to send for head confirmation.
10-4. She's not secure yet. How far is my other unit? I have 31 in the vehicle too, with another passenger.
So as you see, she has a warrant in Florida. Now, how many of you knew that even minor warrants can trigger a statewide pickup? Which, can be a good and a bad thing. Because let's say if you're traveling in Louisiana and you have a warrant in Texas, I mean, under some circumstance, like a minor warrant, Louisiana won't pick you up. Well, let's say if you have like a federal warrant and you're in a different state, they can pick you up anywhere in the country and have you, what's it called, expedited back to the state where the warrant is. Now, Once that warrant is confirmed, the officer's discretion disappears. He must arrest her. Now, I want you to watch how the energy changes. He's calling for backup because there's a passenger and he doesn't have the driver secured yet.
It looks like 312's coming up to 100 and 302.
Can you go ahead and hop out for me, okay? Yeah, I'll explain everything. So you got your seatbelt.
Come on.
So just keep your hands right there.
Come on, Bonnie Queen.
I appreciate it. You have a warrant for your arrest. I need you to step out of the car. 311, give me the channel. I'm out of the car. I'm out of the car. I'm out of the car.
And the brother was looking calm and cool, and this young lady's sitting there like she's not moving. She's probably nervous, probably in shock that she has a warrant and could possibly go to jail right now. Now, this is what we call the Mims moment. Under Pennsylvania versus Mims, which I've talked about in a few videos already, so y'all should be very familiar with this one. The officer has the legal right to order her out. But now, I got a question for the viewers. Should the officer have explained the warrant before asking her to step out, or is it safe to get her out first? Now, legally, he doesn't have to explain the warrant until she's secure. Her refusal to unbuckle and her clenching the steering wheel is the exact definition of resisting without violence, at least for now.
Stop! Bro, what are you doing? Stop,
Every female's acting resistant.
tripping, bro.
Hop out of the car.
Hey, stop.
Hop
They
out of
give
the
you
car.
another charge.
Hop out of the
Stop.
car.
Stop. Hey, what the fuck are you doing?
Oh, brother,
Put your
don't
hands
do
behind
it.
your back. I'm not telling you again.
You're crazy.
Put your hands behind your back.
What is your mama doing?
Put your hands.
Get out.
Put your
Get out me.
get on the ground.
That escalated fast. That's a small girl. Are you surprised of the strength that she has? How hard it is for this officer to take her down?
You're gonna get tased. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Put them behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Hop out of the car.
Yeah, she in disbelief.
Put your hands on the hood. Put your fucking hands behind your back. You're not. Stop resisting.
And you see that brother looks like he don't want any part of what's going on.
What are you doing? Stop, bro.
He's talking, but he ain't moving.
Keep your hands there.
Bitch, I want to call my mama.
What is your mama's number? I'm trying to call her.
Keep your hands there.
I know her
311 female security can clear the channel.
number.
Now she crying.
Keep your hands there.
I got my hands here.
No, he's talking to the dudes.
Stay there. Hello. My glasses got launched. Can you just stay with her real quick?
I'm not doing it for you.
Yeah, okay. You call battery on LEO.
Oh, what did I do?
I'm securing
All
you.
bad.
There's odor of marijuana in the vehicle. You're not under arrest. You're just being secured for the duration of the stop, okay?
So I ain't gonna better stuff on.
You can. You're just going to go in cuffs for everyone's safety, okay? There's two of you. Yeah. There's two of you to us, okay? Come over here.
I got one.
Yeah, you're good. Can you sit on the floor over here? I appreciate it.
You're getting pat down and everything.
Yeah, let me just find my glasses. I can't see shit. Thanks.
Notice how this brother's just sitting here being calm and cool. Man, he ain't no fool. He like, I ain't trying to get into that. I ain't trying to go to jail, get assaulted, get shot. But this little youngster here, not so much intelligent.
Give me somebody's number to call.
Oh, can you stand up for a second? Good. I'm gonna patch off weapons, okay?
Yes, sir. Anything in your pocket?
All right, sit back down, okay? Stand up. Stand up. Yeah? Yeah. Battery on Leo.
That,
No, just them two.
I'm trying to call my mama.
You lost that
I'm
chance.
trying to call my mama.
Let's go.
kind of late now.
I don't know no number.
Have a seat.
Give me a 60.
You made that a lot harder than it had to be.
I want to talk to my mama.
Well, you shouldn't have fought me.
Damn, he got 3 cars.
Okay. She obviously knew she had a warrant. Good. Is there anything in this vehicle I need to know about? It smells like weed. I'm just gonna straight up with you. Search it. Okay. I probably call the search. I'm gonna search it. Okay. I'm gonna run your information real quick. Can you arrange right out of here? Do you have any warrants to your knowledge?
Are you gonna get me? I don't know.
Okay. Where do you live at?
I just came to y'all court today.
Okay. I'm just gonna check your license, your ID real quick, and then you can get it right out of here. I'll get you out of those cuffs. You can stand up. Give your cuffs to you, my cuff to go.
Oh yeah, she going to jail, and she just caught an extra charge. She right here.
You said it. You forced my hand. You put me in a dangerous position on the side of the road with cars flying by me.
You opened my car door.
I'm more than legally allowed to. You have a warrant for your arrest. I asked you to get out nicely. You said no.
So I said, let me
I said no. I said we'll handle that. Okay. And then you decided to clench the steering wheel and not take off the seatbelt. I don't understand it. I don't understand.
Guys, when you get pulled over, just follow commands. Bottom line. She said she wanted to call her mama. It doesn't work that way. Once he found out you had a warrant, his protocol is he has to get you out. He has to detain you. Now, we've seen plenty of videos where the police will allow the person in the police car to call a parent, mainly a parent or anybody that can come maybe get the car, maybe come, you see them where they'll get pulled over and they have kids in the car and they won't, they're not going to leave the kids. Matter of fact, it's not like they want to bring the kids down to the police station. So they'll allow the young lady or whoever to call the mom or the dad to come get the kids, or come and get the car. But once you escalate the situation and you are under arrest and you are like being charged with battery on a police officer, it escalates to where now I'm going to tow your car. You should have thought about that a few minutes ago. I'm going to make this decision to tow it. And which means now you tried to hurt me. Now I'm going to make your life just a little worse because you're going down to the jail, to the court. You're going to have to post a bond, set a bond, set a bond. Going to have to post it, set a court date. So now we're talking about court fees, lawyer fees, impound fees. It's just and the original tickets. All this stuff is just going to pile up on you, all because of what? Plus the warrant you already had. So, I mean.
Why you got so aggressive for no reason?
Because I don't like stuff like this.
All it was a simple traffic stop. That's it.
I don't have my license and my registration. That's all.
That's not a big deal. I don't care about the registration. All you have to do is have proof that you have it and insurance.
I would have had proof. I would have had somebody send it to this car.
Right. Well, I have a female deputy coming to search you, and then I'm towing your car. We're leaving.
You towing my car?
Yes, I'm towing your car. You resisted with violence, and then you hit me.
He can drive my car. I didn't hit
you. You elbowed me several times. My camera recorded the entire time, and that front camera recorded the entire incident. So I don't know what you want me to do.
So he said that she elbowed him. Now, I want to hear from you guys. Go back and look at the footage. Did you see the battery or was it just a chaotic struggle? But regardless of the intent, battery on a law enforcement officer is a 3rd-degree felon in many states. This is the chaos that the title refers to. For defamation purposes, we have to wait for the court to decide. But the body cam is a powerful piece of evidence for the prosecution. Let's continue.
So how he getting home?
He's going to arrange a ride. He already did. They're on their way. Your car's being towed regardless. I'm telling you.
I need to call my mama so they can come get me.
How old are you?
I'm 19.
Okay. You're an adult. You know what? Your mom's not coming to get your car.
So nobody can't come get my car?
No, I'm making the decision. I'm towing your car. You attacked me. You basically resisted. Your car is getting towed.
Now see how the escalation quickly turned against her? Like it's something I tell my kids or anybody, any youngsters who will listen. Whenever you decide to do something, think of the consequences. And then whatever consequences you can think of, multiply that by 10. because I promise you that you are not thinking clearly when you start to do certain things like this young lady. She wasn't thinking clearly. She knew she had a warrant. She probably didn't want to get taken in. But instead of staying calm and cool, like the brother that was sitting next to her, you know what I'm saying? She was sitting there, she was resisting not following instructions. The young fella, he was following instructions. Whether he had a ticket, a warrant or not, he said something about he had to go to court for something and laughed about it, but he was still calm and cool about it. I know he was upset when she was getting manhandled. I get that. That's something that a brother does not want to see a sister go through at all. But you have to sometimes, as a man, not just be there to defend her, but you also have to be there to give direction and try to guide her into doing the right thing at that moment. That way we can survive to fight another battle later, because you're not going to win the war doing what she did at all. And so now she's about to lose all the way around. And at 19, she's going to have to go through a lot before all this is cleared up. And it's just not worth it.
It's that simple.
So what jail I'm going to?
Flower County Inmate Facility. For your warrant, and then you're also being charged with resisting with violence and battery on LEF.
And how long I gotta sit for that?
Yeah, EC's fine.
So legally, she's 19, but she's asking for her mom. Now, do you think the officer was being too harsh by towing the car instead of letting the passenger drive it away? Again, it depends on the circumstances. She did attack the man, or she did resist. I don't know if you really want to say she attacked him, and I know she was pulling away a lot, and it could have been inadvertent elbows, but she was not following direction. So that's where that's where it started out. Now, legally, since she attacked him per his report, he has the authority to impound the vehicle as part of the arrest process. He's making a discretionary call here, likely influenced by the fact that he was physically assaulted. Let's continue.
He was good to go whenever, man.
And what is that? I never got no charges.
Battery on law enforcement officer. It's a 3rd-degree felony.
Okay.
Resisting with violence is a misdemeanor. And then that marijuana, it's not his. It wasn't behind his seat. It's behind your seat.
It's not mine, sir. I'll tell you.
In your vehicle.
I'm not the only one that drive my car.
Well, you're getting charged with it.
And that could have been that young fella's marijuana stash. That's why you got to be careful of the people that you let ride in your car. I know you're probably young, trying to be cool. One of y'all smoking, he may be smoking or whatever. It's quite possible that brother had a little sack and threw it under her seat, because he didn't want to get caught with it. I mean, it could be possible, and maybe she, and it could have been hers too. I'm just saying there are scenarios, but because it was her car and it wasn't on anybody else's possession by law, it's going to belong to her. So she started with a speeding warning and ended up with a felony battery charge and a towed car. Final question I have for you guys: what's the biggest lesson you took away from this video? Now, the law is clear. You fight the warrant in court, not on the shoulder of a road. Now, if you found this breakdown helpful, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Those 4 things cost you maybe a couple of minutes out of your day, but it means the world to us here at this channel. And if you have any ideas or suggestions or of any videos that you would like for me to watch and break down for you guys, feel free to send them to me. Don't hesitate. And with that being said, I leave you in peace and love, and I'll see you on the other side.